Hey guys, it's my first time doing an unboxing video. I got Razer Addressable RGB Controller over here. Gonna connect it to my PC and hopefully I'll be able to work with my fans. I got 9 of them in my only Razer Edition case. Let's see what we got inside. Seems like we have the controller itself and the cables. Okay, so seems like we have USB 2.0 motherboard header, which goes to micro USB for the control to Razer Chrome application. Also the power, which is unfortunately Molex instead of SATA. And here's the controller itself. We got 6 ARGB headers, also the connection for those 2 ports. So this was my first unboxing. Maybe if I decide to do this more often, I'll prepare better. Thanks for watching.